Welcome to Craftsember, a December weekday journey into creativity and inspiration. I'm Suzanne, a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, sharing paper crafting ideas to spark your imagination. We're going to explore some techniques and celebrate the joy of crafting. I may share projects using multiple products, last chance products, scrapbooking ideas, crafting kits, or fun folds. You never know, I might throw in a 3D object or two. So whether you're a seasoned stamper or just getting started, there's something here for you. Let's dive into today's video. Hello friends, welcome to another inspiring Snapdragon card. This is card number 3. I am starting out like I had it last week with Azure Afternoon and Old Olive. I'm inking up the dragonflies and I'm finger daubing their bodies, and this is a really nice technique. I find that I can get two colors very nicely on my images, and I did stamp 5. I wasn't going to put you through that, but here we go. We're starting off with Blackberry Bliss, and I do have Blackberry Bliss cardstock there as well, and I have a whole plethora of different colors to share. So I'm inking up my dauber with the Old Olive ink, and I am coloring the bottom portion, the leafy part, and now I'm going to stamp right down. So this is just a piece of basic white, and then my second color is Daffodil Delight, and again inking up the bottom with Old Olive ink. So I've kept the bottom color pretty close. Then my next color, oh, hang on, let me stamp this one first. So this is the Snapdragon that's kind of winging off to the one side. So I'm not daubing on or changing the color of the flowers at all. I am just inking up with whatever ink. This happens to be Berry Burst, and the leaves are going to be Old Olive. I don't know if you know this, but I'm not really fond of Mossy Meadow. It's kind of an ashy green, and I think Garden Green would have been too dark. And I mean, there's Shaded Spruce that might have been too green. So anyway, I chose Old Olive for this particular card design. So that was Peach Pie. And I'm going to stamp that right next to the Blackberry Bliss. And, you know, it's funny because it is the same image, but you can alter the look of them and, you know, tilt it one way or the other to make it look very different. This is Fresh Freesia, and I'm inking that one up. That's going to go on the other side of Daffodil Delight. There we go. And let's see here. This is Berry Burst. And I really like this color. It's probably one of my favorite pinks. And again, with the Old Olive for the leaves. I mentioned this before. If you have a dried up blender pen, you can wipe off the ink that is, say, on the part of the stamp that you don't want, and, you know, just scribble it off. And then you can ink up with the dauber or a marker as well, like just a regular ink marker. This is, I think this is Daffodil Delight again. And there are my flowers. So lovely little snapdragons. I'm using Blackberry Bliss for the sentiment, and it says wishing you strength, which I actually really enjoy. Uplifting cards like this. You know, everybody has their own issues, and these are wonderful, uplifting encouragement cards, you don't necessarily need to have a reason to send them. So I'm using Seal Plus, and I'm going to attach this about 1/8 of an inch from the bottom of the card and straight on the edges there. So you just get a little strip of the Blackberry Bliss on the top and the bottom. I did have a little bit of hangover, so that sounds funny. It has a hangover, so I cut it out. No, I just trimmed off the excess. All right, and so was scoring the crease there with my bone folder, and with my take your pick tool I am going to add my 5 dragonflies. And what I did for the dragonflies actually was and this was a while ago, so I didn't show it, or I just took it out of the video. I used the all-purpose ink. Like, it was a little tub of it called Frost White. Stampin' Up doesn't sell it anymore. It's kind of like a little, I don't know, opaque ink. And it is a subtle, it's a subtle ink, and it just adds a little sparkle. So in case you didn't want to use Wink of Stella, I just put this on the bodies of the dragonflies. But anyway, if you had Wink of Stella, you totally could have used it as well. So anyway, I am using the iridescent pearls for the heads of the dragonflies. And that is my card for today. I have one more for you tomorrow, using the same bundle, so hopefully you stay tuned for that. And then for the first bit of January, I'm going to have a free online class. I'm just going to post it up here on YouTube so that you can get the education. So I thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for commenting. And when I show you the card tomorrow, I want you to tell me which card you liked out of this series, 1 through 4. All right, guys, I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.